respected dignitaries, experts, all participants who are participated from worldwide, dear colleagues, and all other stakeholders. Our government Vidarbha Institute is going to organize international 3 days e-conference on higher education during this worldwide pandemic period. And it is proud to me that over than thousands of participants have actively registered in this conference. It is my pleasure to share here that this conference will make history in this institute's varied tradition. So, first of all, I will give my heartfelt thanks to organizers, conveners, and all other colleagues, faculties who are deeply involved in this conference. I give special thanks to visionary person and dynamic director of this institute, Dr. Vasant Hilavi Reddy. Dear all, due to this COVID-19, the world has totally changed. There have occurred drastic changes on global scenario. This pandemic period will be written in world's history as dark age or dark period. But friends, the human being is always optimistic. We all will rise like a bird phoenix and will start to shift our lifestyle from dark age to digital age. In next few days, it will be occurred. This COVID-19 virus has divided society also. Especially, India has much and more affected by this single virus and divided. We can say it as a digital divide, just like haves and have-nots. Now, the world will know, also India will be known as before Corona India and after Corona India. There was such type of division already exists in Indian society, but it was underneath. Now, due to this COVID-19 virus, it comes on surface level of the society, Indian society. And on this scenario, I hereby raise two prior issues and then we'll come to higher education. Nowadays, there is a major issue of migration of laborers. Thousands of laborers are migrating from one city to their hometown, village, and with their family, with their domestic household things. This is the large migration in India after partition. Look at this issue. Let us see from our point of view. There are many children with these laborers. There are many youngsters, many youths with these laborers' family. Then, what about their e-learning? What about their education? When will be they stable and start e-learning? This is the vibrant question before India in this pandemic period, and we deeply think about it. My second concern is regarding tribal community people. In India, many people live in hilly areas, remote areas. These people are far away from the center of India. It is on periphery, that is marginalized people. Then these people are inaccessible. When will reach accessibility of ICT near that people? Then how does these people start their education in this lockdown period? How can we provide them such type of accessibility? This is also a very important question. So these migrant people and marginalized people are the main concern in today's crucial situation, and we shall deeply and seriously discuss regarding these two issues. I know it is difficult but not impossible. To solve these issues, the role of teaching faculties is most important. Our teachers, researchers, experts are more competent, more potent, because they are not only professionals, they are not professors but practitioners, and they will find way out. They will find out new innovative ideas. They will use new teaching learning techniques and methods and will solve these issues. I hope teacher can pull the students from this dark period and will put them in digital era. Our best wishes is always with them and also with you. Thanks once again, all of you, and for bright future and for bright future of tomorrow. Thanks.